Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add slide to shutdown shortcut on your Windows 11. So normally if you want to shut down your PC or your laptop, just you can use this method. You will press Windows key button. From here you can shut down your PC, or you can use this shortcut Alt key plus F4 button to shut down your PC. But I am going to show you different method to shut down your PC. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third-party software. Just right click on your desktop empty space like this and go to new, and here select the shortcut. Okay, the shortcut will created on your desktop, and here in the location box you need to paste some location. You can get this location in my video description box. Just copy from there and paste it here. Okay, after this guys, just click on next and give your shortcut name. So by default it was taken slide to shutdown. As you can see, leave it as it is and click on finish. That's it. Now slide to shutdown was created on your desktop. So now if you want to change this shortcut icon, just right click on it, go to properties, and in the properties you can get the option change icon. Just click on it and once again click on OK. That's it. Here you can get lots of icon, as you can see. So I am selecting this icon. Select the icon, click on OK, and once again click on apply and OK. That's it. Now if you want to pin this shortcut on your taskbar, you can also do it. Just right click on your shortcut, go to show more option, and here you can get the option pin to taskbar. Just select this. Okay, now as you can see in my taskbar the shortcut was added. So when you want to shut down your PC, just you need to use this shortcut. That's it. So just click on it. After this guys, your PC will shut down. So this is the easy and very simple method to create slide to shutdown shortcut on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.